Hello everyone, welcome to the Try Out Recipe Show, where I try other people's recipe and I let you know my honest opinion about them, if I want to try again or I want to change something about the recipe. Now, a quick reminder to everyone, if you have got a recipe in mind that you would like me to try, don't forget to leave in a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can be the first to see my video, and give us a thumbs up if you like it. For today's recipe, I'm going to be using sweet Adjeley's recipe for sugar bread. Now, I'm really interested to try this out because it has no eggs, it has no milk. So I'm like, how is this going to go out? I'm excited. I want to try it now. Let's go, because I don't know about you, but I'm hungry. All the recipe on the screen for you to see. Okay, so I've got all the ingredients in here. I've got some salt, I have got some yeast, I've got some nutmeg. So I'm just going to mix everything together. I haven't added my salt to here as yet because I don't want it to kill my yeast. I don't want my yeast to die yet. So yeah, so I'm gonna add my butter to here. Don't worry about the measurement. I'm gonna put everything on the screen for you to see, or you can go to my description. You can go to my description below and check out the ingredients if you like, if it's more easier for you. Okay, so I've got my water here, I've got my, what's the name, my butter, and I've also got my salt in here as well. Now, I advise not to use this because it looks like it's gonna break, so just use a wooden spoon, which I'm about to do now because I don't want to break this. Come on, go off. Come on. Okay, so my dough is all good. I'm just gonna leave this for 10 minutes and then I'm going to be kneading it. I'm going to be kneading it for about, okay, so I'm going to be kneading this for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna let it rest for about 10 minutes as well, and then we're going to be rolling it and shaping it and leaving it to rise for an hour. And then after an hour we're gonna put it in the oven, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to, you know, taste this. Like I'm so excited because I've been making other recipes for bread and it always turns out to be a cake, but I'm so excited for this one because this has no egg or no milk. It's just water and butter, flour as you saw before. So I just want to know how this is gonna taste. Now, the recipe that I'm using is from Sweet Adjeley's recipe. I got it from her website, her YouTube channel, so check it out. Now, also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have a recipe you like me to try, don't forget to leave it in the comment below, and I would go and check it out and let you know how it's good, or you like to, if you would change something about it, if I would change something about it. Now this is really soft. It's not really soft as in soft as it will stick, but it's like, you know, soft, so it's not hard to knead. Okay, so this is done and ready. I'm going to leave this for 10 minutes. I'm going to leave this for 10 minutes and then I'm going to divide it and then fold it up and let it rest for an hour. Okay, so 10 minutes is going. It's so lovely to play with this. I'm not even going to joke. Alright, 10 minutes it is. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and my dough, it's looking so super soft, even more softer than earlier on, so that is good. I'm going to cut my dough into two. And we're gonna just pinch the ends together. I just pinch it and then stick my hands in there. Okay. And then we just roll. We just keep rolling. Then, if your ball is a bit too long, what you do is just roll and you keep stretching, and it's it's stretching whilst you keep doing that. Oh no, mine is too big now. But if it's too big, if we've stretched it, just do that. Now it becomes small. So yeah, it looks so good though. It smells so lovely. It smells like Ghanaian bread. Sugar bread, so that's good. So my breads are done. I'm gonna pop it in the oven. So here is my bread after an hour, 15 minutes or 20 minutes. I might have forgotten that I had something in the oven, resting. So it might have overproof, I'm not sure. I just can't wait to find out. Now this one has got more bigger than the other one. I don't know why. Probably because I didn't weigh them to find out the equal weight of each. I don't know, but they look good. It smells amazing. The house smells so nice. And so I'm just gonna pop this in the oven. I'm gonna put it on 180 and I'm gonna leave it in there for 20 minutes, I believe, but I'm gonna double check with the timing on Sweet Adjeley's website. So yeah, bread is looking so great. I am super duper very excited. I put in there for 20 minutes on, actually 25 minutes, because we like it to be a bit brown, so that's why it's looking like that. It's still hot. I need to let it cool down, but I just want to just grab it and just eat it. It smells amazing. Everywhere smells like, it smells like bread. It smells like bakery in my house right now, and it's just like amazing. Now I have to take out this. The tin is still hot. Oh my god. I have to get the bread out of the tin and let it rest before I can I can't wait to taste it, before I can taste it basically. But after taking it out from the tin, I mean, oh my god, this gotta taste amazing. This gotta taste amazing. Look at that. Oh, it's hot. See, it's foaming whenever I touch it. It's hot. It's so hot. I can't wait to try this. Oh my god. Okay, so I am done with baking the bread. Finally, I can taste it. I've been wanting to have it for so long, but you have to make it rest and all those waiting things. Now let's analyze from afar. Now this doesn't feel like a cake. Now look at that. Can you see it? Can you see? I mean, can you see it? I mean, can you see it? Oh god, look at that. Look. Oh, look at that. Look. Oh. No, look at this side. This side is much better. I mean, look at this side. I mean, look at that. Underneath the top. Oh, you wish you can smell this. I bet you do. What? Oh my god. Just bless this bread. Look at it. Gosh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, we made bread today. Oh my god, I have to reach up my hands like, oh, look at the layers that we did earlier on. Oh my god. I mean, analyze this. I will analyze this in my mouth. This is nice. Oh my god. Now this is something I would definitely be baking again, because I mean, this is good, this is nice. It's soft in the inside. It's not dry, those kind of those dry bread. I'm not dry. It doesn't feel heavy. It didn't take a long time to make this. It just took an hour 30 minutes to make this. 30 minutes to make this. The prep took about 15 minutes for everything. This is something that I'm gonna definitely make again. When I have visitors, when I know we're gonna have visitors, I'm gonna make this, get some fans I'm like, oh my god, Ella, you're so good. How did you learn how to make this? You know, I get those. But this is something I would make every day if I had a lot of time. Like a day off, I would definitely make this in the morning and have it somewhere around lunchtime. I would definitely make this. And also, would I change anything? No. I took the same sugar, I put the same sugar as recommended, and it doesn't taste sweet. It doesn't taste too sweet, let me put that way. It's not overpowered sweet. Yeah, it just tastes nice. It balances well with the salt, if you've got salt in here. Oh yeah, we put salt in there. Like, I'm literally eating. Okay, I gotta put it out. But I'm definitely gonna try this again. I'm trying to finish that. Would this be enough for today? Yes, this will be enough for today. But I'm definitely gonna try this. I'm gonna definitely try it again. It was so easy to make, even though it took long to rise. You know, sometimes when you watch some recipes, it's like you have to leave it overnight. Sometimes like 5 hours. There's this one rested for an hour. Now, well, in a recipe it said to rest for an hour. My one rested like an hour, 15 minutes because I forgot. Look, my bad. I was just like, you know, TikTok sometimes you forget sometimes when you're on TikTok. But yeah. I rested an hour 15 minutes, and then I baked it for 20 minutes on 180 degrees for 20 minutes, and then I put it back in there again for it to brown a bit more for 5 more minutes, so 25 more minutes. So no, for 5 minutes, so it was a total of 25 minutes of cooking time. So yeah, I would recommend this for anyone. Now, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you've got a recipe for me to try, please leave me a comment below and I'll go ahead and give it a go. And stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.